Hello again. We found a really nice body of water to continue making observations on, and we have a few new ones to show you. These observations will take place within the distance we've been regularly using, 600 feet. This first observation began just after 11:15 with 79-degree air temperature. The temperature near the water surface was 75 degrees, and the temperature of the water was about 66 degrees. We took the boat out to 600 feet and witnessed a lot of distortion, maybe some compression. When we wrapped up just after noon, the air temperature had risen to 83 degrees, and the temperatures of the air near the surface and of the water were the same as when we started. This next day, just before 11, the air was 75 degrees, the air near the surface was 73 degrees, and the water temperature was about 66 degrees. We set up some objects at 600 feet like we normally do. Here you can see those objects from the viewer's placement. Here we are down at the waterline, and it appears as though we can see the majority, if not all of, each object. These results remained pretty much the same the whole time we were there. We left a little after 11:45, and the temperature then was 78 degrees. The temperature near the water surface had increased to 76 degrees, and the water temperature was still the same at about 66 degrees. In this last observation, we started just after 11. The temperature was 58 degrees, as was the air temperature near the water surface, and the water was 63 degrees. We set up the objects again at the usual 600-foot distance, as you can see here. Down at the surface, only portions of the objects are visible. And as we raise up just a tad, they come back into full view. When we left, about 30 minutes later, all of the temperatures were the same as when we started. We're looking forward to making more observations on this body of water, as it's much bigger than any of the others that we regularly use, and we're excited to make observations in all kinds of weather conditions here in the mountains. See you next time!